Hello, just like you, I work in the marketing department. In order to create my landing page, I go to the Landingi account and I click on the Create New Landing Page button. When the new window appears, I click on the Pick a Template option, which guides me to the page with a variety of more than 200 fully customizable templates. This time, I want to use simple templates, which give much space for one's imagination. Here I select one of the templates, which I like the most, and I open it by clicking on the Use Template button. Now I can give my landing page a name of my choice. Let's call it 10-minute landing page. Here I am in the editor. As you can see, this template is really simple. Let's start with the changing of the background. I go to its options and then I click on the image so I can upload one of the images that I think is the best for my purposes. Let's type business here. When I click on the image, it automatically uploads as a background of the section, which can be adjusted to fill the whole width of the section. Another adjustment concerns the gradient, the intensity of the image. I overlay the full color on the background image and then, by modifying its gradient, I make the image less intense. Okay, then it is time to select the logotype of my company. To do it, I go to the gallery, select the proper file and choose the logotype of my choice. Here it is. Now I can make it bigger, like this, and then move it to the desired place in the editor. Then I delete the widgets I don't need and change these I want to keep on my landing page. It is time to make a nice header, like this one here. Some elements might be bolded to make them more visible. Next is a slogan visible on the top of the form and the text that comes next. When the most important elements are bolded, I move to the options of the form to create the fields that meet my expectations. In order to do it, I go to the form options and I delete the telephone number. Then I change the name of the button label to Download My Resources and I save all the changes. Now I can make the white box smaller, just to make it look better. This is the moment in which I make some last visual improvements. After I'm done with the desktop version of my landing page, I can go to the mobile version to rearrange it. All the widgets are already there, but I need to drag them to their places and make the view attractive to my potential clients. So I make the logotype bigger and change the positions of headers so they don't overlap. Then I make the box of the section smaller. This way I have my landing page almost done. It is worth mentioning that my landing page consists of one section only. The template has more sections that might be used for the presentation of my resources, but I don't think they are essential, so I can just remove them from the template. If there is something else you would like to have on your landing page, you might as well copy certain elements from other templates. Okay, having this part done, let's move to the conversion page. I change the logotype first. Then I position all the text widgets and change their content. Finally, I set the background image with the proper gradient. Then I go to the mobile view of the conversion page to make some general rearrangements there. When everything is done, I can publish my landing page. When published, the only thing to be done is to change the domain and to add the security certificate to it. After all these steps, I can watch how it works. If you have any questions concerning the particular steps I made, you can always contact us at support@landingi.com or just schedule a live training on the page visible below. Good luck!